So let's go ahead and look at the next project. You may have seen this part before. Basically, it's a thermoform mold. Basically, it's a tooling board with a half section of the part machined on it. And the purpose of this mold is to create packaging material for this product. So it'll be vacuum formed plastic pulled down on top of this mold to create a cavity. And the reason that I selected this particular part is that you'll notice there's no fillet around the bottom edge. Okay. For vacuum or thermoform molds, you don't want to have a sharp edge. You want to have a fillet around there for the plastic to flow easily around. But the reason I picked this is that you don't have to model that fillet. We're going to do it or show you how it's done in the machining process rather than in the design process. And for this part, again, the machining job over here on the left, we got a horizontal roughing, 2 parallel finishings and a horizontal finishing to finish the boss portion of the hair dryer. It's a hair dryer mold. And we got some profiling, and then we have the Pro. We have a pencil trace for the Pro. But I'm going to show you how a good way to pencil trace without using the Pro. For this part, it worked out pretty well, and I'll show you how to do that. And then the tools down here at the bottom.